Hello, Derek Moretti here, and welcome to the channel where we don't mind giving out boots to the head. Here we'll explore the incredible art of kicking, both for fighting and for just having a blast with our legs. I don't talk much in this video, but there are a lot of lessons and ton of action, especially toward the end. I hope you get a kick out of it.
Gracie with the leg, chopping to the back of Shamrock. And over time, those are going to really add up.
On top. Her stand-up, oh man, couple of shots to the face.
To where he's going to throw the legs to the side. Kick.
Vaz is out. Great job by Tiago. He took a big kick. A big.
You had your chance, Captain.
Easiest $5 ever. Dude.
Can't spark.
Good drive.
Kill him, let's go, come on.
That includes you.
It's not right.
That's right.
Whoa, take it easy, boys. Take it easy. Why spoil such a grand day? Kane here just wants to get paid for a job well done.
I got this, Pop. Obviously, yours is a little bigger than mine. Let's fight like men.
Yeah!
That's how you do it, Pop.
You might want to finish what you start, son.
He's right behind me, isn't he?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bob. Hi, Bob.
What's up?
This is Derek. Those are Derek's lethal weapons. Let's see what happens when he kicks Bob. Come on, knock him down. Knock him down.
Ow. I think the bag gonna be filled. Oh, that's what I was going to say. Damn, that hurts. That really hurts.